First thing, thank you so much for inviting me over. This is gonna happen when I come over to your home. We have three options. I explained to you that over the phone already, but just if something is not clear, just to make it easy for you. We have three options. Option number one, if you say, Freddy, I need this to be done by this date because something special happening. I did the research about your company. I just need to know a number. I'm ready to move forward. Let's go through the process. Great, no problem. We're gonna put you in the schedule. What we do for that is we'll take 10% down. After I go through the entire space, I calculate the numbers. I'll say, okay, something like this is gonna be between this and this. And then take 10% down and put you in the schedule. At the same time, when I'm there, I'm gonna ask all the questions to make sure I understand everything. Take notes, dimensions, basically everything else. I'm gonna go through the design process. We're gonna put a couple of 2D plans for you to choose from. Once you choose that, we're gonna go through the selections. We're gonna go through the budgeting. Budgeting means that we're gonna be able to create something like this, like an order breakdown. Then when that happens, we're gonna be able to we're gonna be able to put a render like this. So basically, maximize your budget. For example, if you target $100,000, how we can get to $100,000? Where we gotta tweak it, and then at the end you decide if you like the tweak or not, or we have to spend a little more. So we're gonna go through the entire process to make sure before the job is done, you know what's gonna look like. If it's ready, I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready to commit for 10% because I'm not ready for that. No problem. We have the option of design. Design is the same thing. We're gonna go over 2D. What I explained to you, we're gonna go through the 2D plans, take dimensions, understand what's most important to you. I'm gonna come over and share some numbers with you once I see the space to make sure there are no surprises. With that in mind, we're gonna do the budget, but I just show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna go through the design, and then we're gonna go through the render. At this point, you can tweak it. With this final tweak, you know exactly what's gonna the final cost. And depends on the project. Mid-size project is about $3,500. Big project is about $5,500. And if you're just like a basic, just a bathroom remodeling, small bathroom, is more $1,500 to $2,000. Okay, now you say, Freddy, I like the idea. I'm not ready there. I just need to come over, shake your hand, and see if you're the right guy. No problem. Or come over, inspect everything, take dimensions to make sure there are no surprises, and put my eyes. Doing this for so many years, if I find something that could be a driving factor is going to be a problem, I'll let you know in advance. At the same time, take dimensions, understand your needs, answer all the questions you have. My goal is, by the end of this meeting, you are the neighbor with more knowledge, and you are making a well-informed decision. At that time, I'm able to share, all right, Mr. Something like Mr. Smith, something like this is between this and this. Listen, Freddy, I like it. I'm good to go, but I just need you to send me some paperwork so I can really compare numbers. No problem. Or come over to the office with all the dimensions. I gotta do 2D plans just to share with you what the space look like, and then from there I'm gonna do a high-level budgeting. High level is I'm gonna assume type of tile. I'm gonna assume a couple of things on my side from what I hear from you, because we haven't really got through the selections, we haven't really got to the design phase yet. So I'm gonna assume a couple of things based on the information you gave it to me. And I'm gonna put pictures. It's gonna be something like this, obviously not accurate as this, but we're still gonna have description, some pictures, what you're expecting behind the walls, things like that. So you can have the information, you can make the right decision. And now all of that, the visit, the explanation, the information, the high level budgeting, a 1-2D plan of your space and what you're expecting to win and build, all of that, it can be as low as $200, as much as $1,000, depending on the size of the project. If it's bigger, it's going to be a little more. If it's small, it's going to be less. Okay, now here's the good thing. Same as the other part, same as the other second option number 2, we're going to give back as a credit once you decide to move forward. My whole goal is not just to come over to say hi. I want to bring value. I want to bring some information. And I was able to put a time to make sure I can deliver it the best of myself. That's going to help you to make a well-informed decision. So I'm excited to meet you. I'm excited to come over. That's what those only 3 things we have. That's only 3 options we have. If there's something, there's some misunderstanding in it, just let me know. I can clarify those for you. But doing this over 25 years, This is what we find is the most helpful for 99% of customers. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in a bit. Probably, I think in a couple hours, or maybe next day is my appointment with you. I'll double check, but thank you so much.